Very simple remedy for you in case if you have issues regarding your visa, if you want to move abroad, if you have financial issues in regards to moving abroad, because of course moving abroad is very expensive. It's not an easier task, and I'm sure there are a lot of aspirants out there who really want to move abroad and they are facing multiple challenges like this. All you have to do is simply take a bowl full of chia seeds. I don't know how many of you know it. If you don't know, Google it up. Take a bowl full of chia seeds and mix in rose water with that. So maybe like do is take a bowl, take 2 spoons of chia seeds in it, and then pour in all the rose water in a way that the bowl is completely full. Wait for a few minutes till the chia seeds, they get fluffed up, they get like puffed up, And for those of you who are good at making puddings and everything, they already know what I mean. After the chia seeds have puffed up, all you have to do is you have to keep this bowl under the moon. So definitely now that I say that, you have to do it under the moon, it's simple that you have to do this remedy after the sunset, right? So after you've kept this bowl under the moon, simply just keep both of your hands on the bowl and simply just say that whatever blockages are coming in my way for me to abroad, I release them all to the moon. And just simply be in that energy of releasing. Keep both of your hands on the bowl. Simply just keep an intention that all the blockages that are coming and are stopping me to move abroad, I release them all. Let that bowl be there for a couple of minutes, and after a few minutes, take that bowl and keep it under a tree. अब उसे कोई भी पेड़ के नीचे रख के आइए, and then just forget about it. So when you have heard this remedy, you're pretty clear कि ये remedy जो है वो sunset के बाद की जाएगी. ये रेमेडी आफ्टर यू हैव प्रेड, आफ्टर यू हैव केप्ट दैट इंटेंशन, आप इसको कहीं पेड़ के नीचे रख के आएंगे. बट रिमेंबर, the tree or the plant that you're keeping under in should be outside of your house periphery, not inside, because of course we have verandas, we have backyards, we have galleries, we have balconies जहाँ पे हम रख सकते हैं. But no, I would suggest you to wait till the dawn, go outside of your house, keep it under a tree. Do this for at least one day. You can do it any day. The beauty of this work, basically this remedy is like you can do it any day. Like there's no specification. So pick a nice day, pick a positive day that you're resonating with, do this remedy, and you will see the results yourself.